Hello, today we're going to talk about synthetic division, and we have one example here, a polynomial divided by a first degree polynomial. Okay, so now we're going to we have here our polynomial and our first degree polynomial. So now we're going to take this part and we're going to, like our principal number, our basic number will be -2, but we are going to change the sign. So it's going to be +2. Now we're going to take each coefficient of these polynomials. So they're going to be 1, -2, 3, +3, and -4. So this is our basic thing. Okay, now that you have this, the thing that we're going to do is we're going to take this number, the first number, and we're not going to do anything with it. We're just going to put 1. We're going to get it down. So now, the thing that we need to do to make our synthetic division is you're going to start multiplying this number by this number. So it's going to be 2 times 1, it's going to be 2. Okay, so we are always going to multiply this times this. Okay, so now that we have our 2, we are going to okay, so now we're going to add these numbers together. It's one addition. So -2 plus 2 is equal to 0. So now we're going to do the same thing as we did here. So now 2 times 0 is 0, so we're going to put 0 here, like always. We're doing the same thing as here, but now with these numbers. So now the next thing is we're going to add these two numbers. 3 plus 0 is 3. Perfect. So now the same thing, we're going to multiply this. 3 times 6 times 2 is equal to 6. So we're going to do the same thing. So 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Okay, now that we got this, that is the most important thing. We got these numbers, so we can erase this. Okay, so now we got these numbers. So we're going to make this as a polynomial. So first, this is going to be our most important number. This is the remainder. This is going to be our x squared. This is going to be x. This is going to be our constant. So now, we're going to take 1x to the squared, but we're going to raise a 1 because 1 counts always as x. To raise a 1 because 1 counts always as x. So now we're going to put plus 0x. 0 is not telling us anything, so we can erase 0x for this case. But if instead of having here, for example, a 3, you can do like a 3x, but now we have 0, so we cannot do anything. So now we got 3 here, so plus 3, and our remainder. So we're going to use plus 2, and we're going to take this first degree polynomial as the denominator. This is our final result. So the synthetic division works as this. It's like you use this to make, it's an easier way to make this division, because there are so many ways to do it. And this is one of the easy ways for a lot of people, but you can do it in also different ways. But okay, now we have this result as our final result. I hope you understand, and thank you.